Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you out.
Yo, what's up? It's your girl back again with another video. Y'all, this wasn't really a planned vlog, but like, I need to get y'all some like entertainment because low key, I haven't been doing no summer diaries. I haven't been really going nowhere, so it's just like, why not vlog? But yeah, y'all. So this is the fit for today. Got the necklace, earrings. Don't mind my hair, y'all. Like, y'all know, it's just like look. My phone camera, look at that. It ain't really going good right now, but trust. The outfit is tea. And then yeah, we got the just couture purse. We got my headphones. You know, just some cool stuff, some real stuff. So yeah. So you know, we basically chilling right now. My mom's getting ready, so I'm gonna definitely get back to y'all when we on our way and stuff because we basically not doing nothing right now. So yeah. But I have been vlogging some TikToks. I did vlog some TikToks and stuff. You know, basic stuff. So yeah, I'm basically back to y'all when we on our way there and stuff. So yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
Got the cheetah print one too.
He got it.
Oh, okay. Oh, what you next? That is the reason why I didn't bring another charger. Oh.
Y'all got me a snow cone. Even though I said it was okay for me not to get one. But, you know, I'm grateful. I'm ready to mix mine, y'all, because I want to see what they look like. Y'all, it's so pretty. My bitch, y'all, I need to vlog a lot because, you know, yeah. But I'm ready to bake to y'all. 4th of July colors. But I got grape on the side too, so. Donna, what flavors you got?
I got that flavor.
She got Lucky Charm and she got Ruby Grape, y'all. That's tea. Y'all, it's like 20,000 people here. Like, I think I had saw my friend. Y'all, I think I had saw my friend because he used to go to my old school. But, because if y'all go back in the clip, I had said, let me call Malante. Look.
I'm gonna call Malante.
I had said, let me call Malante. And I think they had actually, like, I had really seen him today. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to re-roll a clip for y'all in this video, though. Yo, this is some tea fireworks. But I'm sorry, y'all, because I feel like I didn't get to vlog a lot. But it's something. Look, y'all. I've been busy, y'all. Like, y'all don't even understand. But y'all definitely gonna get a first day of school video. And I actually,
the fireworks?
huh? No. But yeah, y'all definitely gonna get a first day of school video this year, and I actually mean it because you know, y'all been so busy like when it come around that time. Hey, y'all getting a maintenance vlog. Y'all had one last year, but it looked a mess, so I deleted it. I'm sorry. I don't like looking disorganized, but y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second.
The pregnant chicks out here too.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you cause you know I like it. Making up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no way for him but some maybes. Don't be wrapped up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Ain't hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient.
Alright, y'all. So I basically technically just got settled. Like, I got home around like, what time is it right now? I got home around like 10 something. It's like it's 12:07 right now. But yeah. So today was a day. It was actually kind of fun. I'm kind of mad I didn't get the vlog how I wanted to. I feel like this vlog was just all over the place. But like, y'all, we had to do so much. Like, we had no parking when we first got there, and then when we got there, we had to see where we had to go. We had to see if we was gonna carry the blankets and the chairs over where we wanted to sit at. Cause this was like down here by this like little lakefront thing, so it was like we didn't really know. And then this is like a bunch of people. It was like at least 20,000 people there, no joke. And then yeah, we had got food. We didn't know how we was gonna hold it, all of it. We didn't know where the trash cans was. We wanted drinks and stuff, but it was like not really. I wouldn't say expensive, but like it was just a lot going on. I didn't really get the vlog until like later on, but it was cool. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. I feel like at the end everybody started running though, because they thought it was like a shooting or something. Like, I don't know, it was crazy. Like this girl started running with her like kids and stuff. Me and my mother and all of us were looking at each other like, do we need to run? Because like police was out there, but the police been out there, so it was like, okay, everybody just tripping. And then to be honest, the whole time everybody was just leaving because it was getting late and everybody was trying to go. So yeah, I had fun overall. The food was good. That wasn't what my food looked like. Ugh, the food was too bad. But yeah, I had fun overall. Best experience. But I'm gonna see y'all later because I'm ready to go to sleep and my sleep schedule already messed up, so we're gonna try to fix it. But yeah, y'all definitely get a back to school video. And yeah, probably another summer diary. Just depends on what plans I got, y'all. Other than that, yeah. But I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye. Wait, I'm tripping. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, to tell a friend, subscribe. And yeah, your girl is out. See y'all later.
With it. Got out nice out with it. Only for the night.